These are looking good. It's looking like a party. All right, Darryl, what you doing today? Everybody, we about to do some party ribs. And you see, we got us a whole spare rib that we gonna do. So we gonna cut it up, turn it into St. Louis ribs, and then cut them up and have party ribs. It's the summertime. Barbecue season is here. It's in full effect. It's ready to go. And we ready to do our part and contribute to it. That thing look, ooh, it's nice and meaty. Yeah. All right. All right. So let's get to trimming this, y'all. And let's get to work. Get on outside and let's have a party. And be like, yo, get one rib. All right, let's get this beautiful thing trimmed up. Y'all already know this gotta come off. It's a lot of fat there. That ain't gonna do nothing for us. Fat is flavor, but we don't need that much. All right, I guess that's cool. All right. Let's go ahead and get this part off first. All right, do we want to wrestle with this membrane? Let's see if we can just do it the easy way here. Come on, let me get on up in there now. Come on, let's try this side. Oh, it want to wrestle. All right. Sometimes, y'all, it want to wrestle with you. Grab my friend a good old paper towel. I know, I could have took a butter knife or a spoon to get on up in there. But I'm still gonna get it. All right, we got it there. All right, cut that off. All right, let's take off the skirt. All right. We got another part that everybody like, y'all. The rib tips. Straight down. We getting there. The beautiful rib tip. We doing that up too. Alright, let's turn them into party ribs. Let me go ahead and get the big knife. In between the bones. Thing about these St. Louis ribs, they curve on you. This our last bone here. It's just one big, nice, meaty piece. Let's get to the next step. I got 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of brown pepper. It's a basic barbecue rub, super basic. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried onions, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix. Ooh, I smell flavor. They are covered nice and light. Subtle hint of flavor. It's not gonna, nothing is overpowering each other. Just nice, good old tasty ribs. They can just go grab and go. I'll take one of these, please. All right, y'all, we're gonna let these marinate overnight, seal up some flavor. All right, let's put it on moist. All right, we are sealed up. Check this out, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Hope for a nice day. Fire up that smoker. Post oak wood is what we're using. Get you some lighter cubes from anywhere, y'all. It don't matter. Better than lighter fluid. Start off conservative with your charcoal first. We don't need to fill this whole thing up. If we want it hotter, we just add more then. But you can't take that heat back. So start off small like that. Plus we're gonna add some wood that's gonna add to the heat. Alright, let's let it come up to temp. Alright y'all, we about to load up a fat piece of post oak wood up in there. Check this out. I got this blade stuck up in there because I ain't using long enough blade when I was cutting this wood. But couldn't take it out, but you know what? I'm gonna burn it out. How about that? Let's get ready to party. So we got these two little pieces that we had at the end. I decided to throw those up on in there. Those just got salt and pepper only. And this little piece of rib meat here, whatever we want to do with it. We'll go ahead and go meat side down first. How about that? Let it rock out for like an hour like that and just grab up all the smoke and get some texture. Maybe some little grill marks, you know, whatever. These gonna be good. And we can't forget about a little rib tip. Got a temperature probe in here to see what's going on with the temp inside and with the rest of this meat. So yeah, that's about it. Let's spread out a little bit. All right, we're gonna shoot for 225 to 250. So we're going low and slow, baby. Ooh, that's looking good. All right, see y'all back in about an hour. All right, y'all, let's get ready to do a flip. We have 45 minutes. Flippity Flip University. Man, these are looking good. It's looking like a party. All right, y'all, this shouldn't take long. Maybe another 45 minutes. Then we come back and wrap it up in some foil and do another step from there. All right, folks, it's been going for about 20 minutes and we are up to 180 degrees. So let's get ready to take them off, put them in the pan. We ain't done yet. All right, let's get our next step going. You know what? We just do it right here. We ain't got no rhyme or reason how we going to this. But now we about to add that flavor. And now the secret ingredient. Wee. So I only need probably about another 25 minutes. That's about it. All right, we'll be back. Yo, we done, y'all. These ended up being right at 203. They're looking delicious already like this. I'm gonna just have to go in straight in and taste. But come on in and check this out, y'all. Look at the deliciousness. Look at this. Look at this. It's the rib tip. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. We're going to go ahead and taste one real quick. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. It is hitting with the right amount of seasonings and maple syrup and butter. We ain't had no barbecue sauce on it yet. The bite is perfect. Look how it just come off. I think I'm going to start doing this all the time. I think for the rest of the summer, we doing party ribs. Because we going to slice them up anyway. We just taking care of that step right up front. And it's much faster. Took me only an hour and 45 minutes. I ain't never cooked no ribs that fast and still be tender and right. No, this is just the way. And I did it with St. Louis ribs. Most people do it with baby backs. This works, baby. Other than that, a St. Louis rib, spare rib, It takes about 5 hours to cook. Hour and 45 minutes. All that time I shaved off. Oh man, we doing this again. Let me go ahead and get this plated up real nice for a thumbnail. All right, peace.